Come test drive the 2013 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.